Krebs scene at staggering Shiba Inu game only told Shims to get ready and leave early. The drop in trade volume and inflows is a clear sign that things are getting worse. Still, experts are still sure about Schwab. Several experts have agreed that transportation recovery will happen after the 50 increments in the week. In this movie, we'll look at a surprising Shiba Inu game that just told the plan and left on time. Make sure to click the thumbs up button and join the feed to see our most recent information on Shiba Inu price estimates and expert opinions. Now, it's time to start the movie. Could you tell us what Shiba Inu is up to? What happened on August 19? On Friday morning, the markets for digital currencies were still in the red. Bitcoin, BNB, and Ethereum, which all have the same name, Shiba Inu, saw a huge drop. Most stable pieces stayed at 1, even though some business areas were not the norm. The automated cash market cap as a whole has reached a dead end. It's close to 2.76% from Thursday's levels, which means peace in the market cap. An automated cash data aggregator showed that the market cap stays at $1.9 trillion, which is less than the $1.12 trillion it was on Thursday. Automatic money Bitcoin's popularity stays at 40.25, which is an increase of 0.19 over the course of the day. Late at night, the total amount of money traded on the cryptocurrency market stands at $61.56 billion. This is a 16.11% drop. Shiba Inu also kept going through a shot over the past few hours and fell 11.7. Most top electronic cash tokens fell out of their cases over the course of many hours. Shiba Inu snapped the 0.1217 mark after showing a bullish, square-shaped base course of action. Sellers showed a short-term block at the 0.17 mark, but buyers could try to keep improving as long as there was a new bullish drenching flame on the other side. Traders might want to cause a pullback toward the 20 EMA before a possible return at the time of press. At this point, the price of transport was 0.1477, which is somewhere around 6.8. Transport buyers in the 0.1217 region have had trouble getting back on their feet for more than 2 months. So, this change made the daily picture go in a different direction. The bulls, meanwhile, kept building on their secret strain, which showed up as more hopeful depressed spots in recent weeks. This made a diving triangle on the daily chart, which showed a clear bullish edge. Further, the 20 EMA that is pointing north and the 50 EMA that is known to move quickly help with showing another bullish half and half. Based on the bullish submerging candle, the possible breakout candle on August 14 showed a huge increase in buying orders. A really long recovery shot can be made possible by a quick recovery over the 0.152 marking. Could I see a rebound toward the 0.172-0.2 area right now? If so, the inability to find a close buy over this engraving could lead to a slow stage near the EMA. After quickly going through the 70 mark, the elevated relative strength record has been taking a small step back over the past few days. The buyers should keep their position above the 59 level support to increase the chances of a continued rebound. The range and spread of points. Lower troughs were pretty flat, and bullishly zigzagging with the cost and staying close to it could help the short-term recovery chances. Given the bullish engulfing breakout candle on high levels near the north, buyers would try to keep an eye on their edge by looking at the 20 to 50 EMA. Any changes in direction toward the 20 EMA could be a sign that the stage could be boring. But the alt has a 5,930-day link to Bitcoin, so it might be important to keep an eye on Bitcoin's progress with the general market review to spot any bearish signs. Without a doubt, around 16.2 million BOT tokens were quickly given out. Duplicated in the last 24 hours, or a surprising number of 410.37 trillion BOT tokens were used up all at once. The duplicated volume also supports the extended picture token momentum for the long term. As a result, whether or not the duplicate rate was around 79, the serious and different deal duplicate trades reached more than 1 million SHEP tokens and specters, except that the lack of energy shown by BOT could have caused the price to drop, which is a negative recommendation. Transport costs have gone up by 27,000 in the last few days, which is a scary amount. The cost of the boat is based on a positive view and cost assumption. Experts say that the price of boats could double by the end of the year or the beginning of the most important parts of 2023. Last year, the price of transportation dropped a lot, which led to a lot of people buying things. The price of the popular Shiba Inu also went up. Shiba Inu is expected to play a key role in the upcoming game Shiba Unlimited Quality, which will help the dog get to the latest key resistance level. At this point, the boat cost is resisting at 0.18, and we expect the cost to break through this barrier. A huge show to get Shiba Inu to the next key level of resistance. Around 2021, it will be 0.2. In a blog post called The Destiny of Gaming is Shiba Endeavor, boss of Shiba Inu, the Shiba Inu group has been trying to make a great way into gaming. Satoshi started by saying that, even though he couldn't give specific details about the game his group is making, he said that their new games company, Shiba Inu Games, has hired William David Valk, a very experienced PC game designer and engineer, to plan and make the game, which is being made by a AAA game studio. On August 2, the Shiba Inu group found out about a few big things concerning the coming win. Shiba Time Never Ends is a game where you can get things. CCG that is being made in collaboration with Playside Studios, a very well-known company that makes AAA games. This game will be released for iOS and Android by the Shiba Inu Disunity channel. It is said that Shiba Forever includes 10,000 Shibushi legends, stunning visuals, a lot of beautiful cards and action-packed battles, and a beautiful setting that is based on legends. Into each event that stopped your heart. Experts agree that Shiba Inu prices could go back up to where they were before the crisis if the trend of regular investors and whales buying picture mint pieces continues. Both came as the crypto fear and hungry record jumped to 45, which was a good sign for the crypto market. The event was also kept going by a huge number of trades, which drove the price of Shiba Inu to a 4-month high of 0.177 crypto S Warbler. Davis admits that the departure of the Shiba is the main reason for the picture mint piece. The Shiba Inu cost is still being used to back certain points of view that were looked at during the pre-summer. Last week, a 35 edition gauge gave early endorsers a chance to take part in a useful swing deal. At any rate, a similar bullish suggestion for Warren was to quickly get out of the market after reaching the usual 0.170 target zone. Does the rise seem to be part of a bigger plan to help the market? Once the goal was made clear, the technicals chose whether or not there would be a quick route. Trades at 0.1428 right now. The volume profile pointer shows that there was a huge increase in trades as the bullish goal was reached. But the negative stop fire near it is a worrying sign that the bulls can't yet beat the power of the stop candles, which showed a bigger number. Things in the previous mixed zone that led to a too long cementing in July. Also, the RSI shows that the Shiba price is more oversold than in February 2022, when the popular cash moved 150 higher. Shiba